Yay! I just started my YouTube channel. As a first timer on YouTube, you are so excited. I'm finally here. I've started YouTube channel. I'm gonna start making money, blah blah blah. Yeah. I know how excited it is, during your first week as a new YouTuber per se. Okay. And then there is also this thing that can also happen. It's also so easy to make mistake. Okay. Yes, during that first week or first month as a new YouTuber. And this mistake, if not, corrected, can affect or hurt the growth of your channel. So if you are in this category of people who have started or who just started their YouTube channel, this video is for you. Let's go there. I will show you 7 mistakes new YouTubers make in their first week and how you can avoid them. Now, number 1 mistake they make is this: focusing on too much gear. Okay, they focus on trying to get ready. Okay, they want to have a studio, they want to, get a camera phone, iPhone, they want to get a tripod stand, they want to set everything, make their studio look so nice. If you watch very well, okay, I'm just doing this video right here in my sitting room. Okay, yes, my sitting room, I'm just doing it. So I don't need to set up a studio for my YouTube. It is good, but as a beginner, you don't need all those things. Okay, as long as you are teaching out value, as long as you have something that people benefit from, you don't need all those things. So that is it. So you don't need all those too much care. Don't waste your energy worrying about fancy cameras and stuff. Just go out there and dish out value. Okay, start with what you have. Even if you don't have money to start to get a tripod stand, you can use book. Okay, yes, bundle some, maybe 2 or 3 bundles of books, and then place your phone there and start recording, right? As long as you have Android, start recording. When you get monetized, you can now get a very good phone or good camera. Now, the second thing they are not doing right, okay, the second mistake that can hurt their channel, okay, this is also one of the reasons why they don't last. New YouTubers don't last. The second thing is this: not preparing, not planning for their next video. Okay, yes, they don't plan. Okay, they just set cameras and they start shooting. Come on, you have to plan for your next video. You have to plan. Okay, and do not get frustrated or stressed up. Just take your time and plan your next video. Okay, yes, don't just set camera because you see what is trending, you want to talk about it. You have to have a niche. Okay, prepare, maybe tell yourself that you're going to be posting once in every week or 2 times in every week. That is okay. You plan it and you maintain it. 2 times every week. By this time you post, algorithm will know you for that. Your viewers will know you for that. That they expect new videos from you 2 times every week, and that is it. So new beginners, they don't plan their videos, they just post, and at the end of the day, they mess the whole thing up. So you need to create a content list, know your title and everything. This will help you to know your audience. Okay. The third thing they do is that they ignore thumbnails and titles. I'm telling you, see thumbnails, see titles, they are very, very important. Okay. If you must do well here on YouTube, thumbnail is like your signpost. Okay. Trying to get into your shop. Your signpost tells me what you are selling. How attractive and neat your signpost is gonna make me wanna come inside your shop, right? So your title, your thumbnail must be captivating enough, must be eye-catching, must be retentive enough to retain people, must be hooking enough to hook them to stop. Okay, so if they lack all these things, it is going to be difficult. So you must take your time. Take your time to plan to design your thumbnail, okay? Yes, in fact, design your thumbnail before you even start the main video. Design your thumbnail, take your time, your title, because these are the things that will bring people to watch your video. These are the things that will attract them to come and watch your video, not necessarily what your video is talking about. Your title, your thumbnail is what will hook them to stop and click. Because I always tell people that YouTube is not a video platform. YouTube is a click and watch platform. YouTube, if you don't click, you will not watch. And before you stop to click, something must attract you to want to click. You get? So you must try as much as you can. Try so hard to make sure you give your thumbnail and your title, time. Like design them very well. Thumbnail, title, okay? Thumbnail and title, and then your intro. Thumbnail, your title, and your intro. Design them very well before you post. Now, another thing they're not doing right is this. Not researching before posting. Not researching. Yes, you have to research based on your needs. You have to know what your audience wants. You have to know the questions that your audience are asking. You have to use Google, use YouTube search bar, use what is trending, use answerthepublic.com. Just know what they are asking. It is very, very important. Most persons do not do that, They just go ahead and they are posting. Okay? If you're not using keywords that people are searching for, your videos will disappear into void. So this is me telling you, make sure you use a searchable keywords for your videos, right? Yeah. The other one they are doing is they are always watching views, right? Yes. As a new beginner, that shouldn't be your worry or your concern, okay? Trying to watch your views to see how many views you have every time you're watching it. I don't think, okay, it should be your concern for now, okay? What should be your concern is the content you are creating, the values that you are giving. Just focus on that and leave other ones, right? Yeah, that is it. Because you watching your views, going to your studio to watch how many views this video has given you will cause you depression, will cause you, to lose, confidence in yourself and in what you are doing. Refreshing your analysis will not grow your channel. Focus on creating content, not stressing yourself out. Track your consistency, not your views. Growth is slow at first. Patience is what you need. The last thing they do is trying to be perfect. They want to get it perfect. Perfection will paralyze you. The first video does not need to be perfect, and that is okay. Stop aiming for perfection. It will paralyze your efforts. It is okay to start messy, like you messed up the whole video the first time. It is okay. Now you start, as you go on, you improve on it. Okay? Yes. It's okay to start messy, but don't stop there. Okay? Yeah. Keep improving and keep going. Now, in conclusion to what I've been saying, this is me telling you that every creators make mistake, but the smart ones keep going. They don't stop. They don't quit. Are you guilty of all the things I've mentioned? Drop comment below with your biggest mistake so far. We're here to help each other, and I got your back. Have you subscribed? Not subscribe often now. Do where to subscribe. And I'm your friend Steve here. On this channel, we'll talk about growth, YouTube growth. See you in my next one. Bye.